Hello everybody, it is Bobby 2 Pops Breaks on Sunday, August the 13th, and we're breaking Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. It's a one box break, randomed up our 21 remaining numbers. 6 is what we got. Random team sales on your right. We've already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized you all. Gave you a few minutes to trade. Nothing happening, so here we go. Good luck, everybody. Bam! We're going to be our second on the hit parade. Graded notes personal. That's a 9/11 spot, folks. I'm still waiting on them fuckers. You can take a comic if you prefer. Here we go, though. Let's see what else we got. Bam! Going to be Miami with the Tyreek Hill framed jersey, everybody. Who is 9? Oh, Jesus Christ, Amanda. Man, Amanda on a friggin' roll and a half here, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what to do. Guys, you watch me random, guys. I don't know what to say, guys. This is fucking crazy. How these two are winning everything these last couple days is... It is nuts. Did you open your envelope? Why isn't this opening, man? You guys are trying to bring up the hill here, but it's... Let me open it. There we go. Alright, that is the Tyreek Hill SD. Amanda, if you'd prefer, I'll just do the credit and the note. If you don't want to actually take, again, one of the personals, I can just give you the credit and the note. Let me bring this up. We're going to do our free spots. Eleven. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times more. Fuck, you gotta be shitting me. Mark, you're gonna take the full spot on top of it, guys. I don't know what the hell to do. That is gonna wrap up that one, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, y'all. Bob at 2 Pops Breaks.